Welcome, Divine Soul. You are about to enter a sacred space where money flows freely, joyfully, and abundantly, in alignment with divine energy. So find a quiet place, breathe deeply, and allow these magical affirmations to reprogram your reality. Repeat them silently or out loud. Let's begin. I am divinely connected to the infinite source of wealth. Money flows to me easily, effortlessly, and magically. I am a magnet for divine abundance in all forms. I honor money as sacred energy that supports my highest purpose. I am open to receiving unlimited wealth with grace and gratitude. Divine magic surrounds my finances. I trust the universe to provide all that I need and more. Wealth is not just around me, it flows through me. I align my energy with abundance, joy, and freedom. Every action I take is guided by divine intelligence and leads to wealth. I am worthy of financial miracles and divine compensation. I call in unexpected divine surprises and streams of income now. I am supported by the universe in creating a life of luxury and generosity. I give, I receive, and I expand in abundance every day. Divine riches are my birthright. I claim them now. Feel the energy of these words settling into your mind, your body, and your soul. Trust that the divine is already working behind the scenes to bring these affirmations to life. You are rich in spirit. You are abundant in energy. You are wealthy in all ways. So come back to this meditation anytime you wish to realign with your divine financial flow. If this video resonated with you, please like it, share it, and subscribe to receive more sacred guidance. So may your life overflow with prosperity, joy, and divine magic. Until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.